Up for sale is our 2002 Decal Mahou DMC 125 UL S5 5-axis machining center. It comes with a relatively low-hour HSK 63 interface, 18,000 RPM spindle, which was replaced a few years back, and comes equipped with a Heidenhain controller and the Mill Plus platform. The DMC also comes with a Bloom Tool laser measuring system and a powerful and effective spray gun. Here's the chip bin, but just to the right we have a spindle chiller, a coolant chiller, and an 800 psi high pressure coolant system for the entire machine. Up top sits an efficient smog hog oil immersion system, which always helps keeps our facility smog free. But below it lives the tool changer, capable of holding up to 180 tools. In this area sits a secondary controller, enabling the operator to load and change tools all from the back during operation. Furthermore, the hydraulic release zero-point clamping system lives in this area as well. Here's a view of the well-maintained and very clean 7-pallet pool system. All 7 of these pallets are 1,000 by 800 millimeters and come with the machine. However, no subplates or fixtures are included. Again, this is our 2002 Decal Mahou DMC 125 UL S5 5-axis machining center in great working condition. Thanks for watching, and if you have any specific questions, please let us know. Thanks.